Hi guys, welcome to Ikere-Ekiti Live TV. You know, presently I'm with an Orisha, Orisha Orishalare. In fact, this is the first time I'm hearing this the name of this Orisha. So I'm presently in Ikere-Ekiti, Ekiti State. So I've interviewed her and I will be posting the videos for you to know more about this Orisha Orishalare in Ikere-Ekiti. Okay, so he has explained, you know, I've already interviewed her, you know, so I just want to introduce to you that there are so many Orishas in Yoruba land. So one of our great Orishas is Orishalare. So she has explained Orishalare Alaje. So she has explained everything that you need to know about this very great Orisha, you know. So this is how we'll be unveiling our Orishas, our forgotten some of our forgotten Orishas, you know, because we are traveling to them to see them, you know, to meet with these custodians of our Orishas. And as you can see, I'm with her and I've interviewed her. So ìyá ẹ ṣé gan a máa rí bá. So ìyá wa ti fún wa lóríṣiríṣi àlàyé nípa Orishalare Alaje yìí. So this is Orishalare Alaje yìí jẹ́ kan lára àwọn òrìṣà wa. So gẹ́gẹ́ bí a ti mọ̀, wọ́n ní àwọn bíi 401 Orisha ló wà nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. Àwọn kan tó sọ pé ó jù bẹ́ẹ̀ o. So bá ṣe ń káàkiri náà la ṣe ń rí wọn kí a lè jẹ́ kí àwa tá a jẹ́ ọmọ Yorùbá àbí àwa aláwọ̀ dúdú káàkiri àgbáláyé ká padà sílé ká máa ṣe ìṣẹ̀ṣe wa. Ìṣẹ̀ṣe á gbé wa o. Àṣẹ.